Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching for the first time, hi, I'm Rohita Singh. In today's video, I have created a red eyeshadow look with a little bit of golden shimmer in it. You can pair this look with western outfit or even an Indian outfit. It looks amazing in both of them. Giving my skin the burst of hydration, I'm using the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer as per your skin type. Moisturizing is an important step before you start your makeup. I have already mentioned the benefits of moisturizing your skin in my previous video. If you haven't seen, do check out. I will be linking in the description box. For primer, I am using the Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. Normal to oily and even a combination skin can use a gel based primer, but if you have dry skin, go for any oil based or cream based primer. Always comb your brows before you start filling them. I am using a black eyeshadow for filling in my brows and I am not using any other brow definer. You can use any black eyeshadow from any palette. The color of brow filler or brow definer should be exactly similar to what your exact hair color is. My hair color is 01 very black, so I am going with a black eyeshadow. Go according to your hair color. If you have light pigmentation around your eye area and light under eye dark circles, you can definitely go with a concealer which exactly matches your skin tone. You can even go with a concealer that is one shade darker than your actual skin tone. It will not only help in neutralizing the darkness, but without using any orange corrector or any color corrector, it will do the work just as neutralizer. After we have concealed the eye area with a shade that exactly matches our skin tone or even a shade darker, don't set it with any loose powder because we will be brightening our under eye area using a lighter shade of concealer. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, which will give my under eyes a little brighter look. For today's eye look, I will be using the You Can Be Exotic Flavors eyeshadow palette. For the crease, I am taking a brown eyeshadow using a precise round brush. For smudging out the crease line, I am using a blending brush and I am taking a darker shade of red to blend out the crease line. Always blend in a circular motion. Take time and be patient for blending the eyeshadows. For the transition color, I am going with a hot red eyeshadow. I will be blending it just above my crease line. Don't worry if you have applied too much of transition color or if you have messed up with the transition color. We will be actually cleaning it up later in the video, so watch till the end. For the eyelid space, I am using a rust orange shimmer. I am using a flat shader brush for the application. Apply this shimmer shadow till the middle of your eyeball and don't extend it further. For the inner eyelid space, I am using a light orange shimmer shade. Using a flat blending brush, I will blend both the shimmer shades really well. So if you have messed up with the transition color, use a clean Q-tip and clean up any excess transition color if you have applied. For blending out the transition color, use any dry blending brush. For the lower lash line, I will be using the dark red shade, which I have used for blending my crease line. Using a round, precise brush, I will be applying the eyeshadow. I will be leaving little space for shimmer to be applied on the inner third. I will be taking a golden shimmer for the application of shimmer on the inner third of my lower lash line. You can even highlight the inner corner using the same golden shimmer eyeshadow. Blend the shimmer eyeshadow really well with the eyeshadow you have applied previously. For the foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Using a damp makeup sponge, I will be applying the foundation all over my face. You can even use a brush for the application of foundation. Contouring my face, I will be using a powder contour from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Woody Wonder. I am using an angular face brush. You can even call it a contour brush. You can even use a beauty blender for the application of contour. But I like to contour my face using a brush when I am using a powder contour or a powder bronzer. Do contour your jawline if you have a double chin like me. For the eyeliner, I am using a liquid eyeliner from Faces Canada. Finishing up the look, I am using a liquid lipstick from Nykaa in the shade Chai. You can even apply falsies or just apply mascara. I am using the Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline. I hope this video was useful. If you love this look, please hit the subscribe button below and also hit on the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.